So I'm connecting my thingy. Hey there, so this is day one of the Mimo coding app challenge. So I'm using YouTube as a pusher for lack of a better name, but what I'm gonna do is that I'm putting myself up to do things that typically laziness beats me to. So I am challenging myself to have to work with this app called Mimo that is for coding. I already paid for a year of this app and I want to make sure to like do the job. It's just hard to keep the daily streaks or the daily challenges with these coding apps. And to be honest, I would feel awful if I would have not actually like paid. I mean, if I would pay for it and then not get the most out of it. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go over some of the questions of the Mimo app. So if you like coding, I think you're gonna be interested in learning some coding with me. So now, uh, okay. So the first question is the following. So it is. So this is the module for HTML basics. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay. So if you like coding, I'm gonna do these with you, and we'll see. So this is practice HTML basics on the Mimo app on the App Store. So this is the first question. Okay, it says, how many paragraphs will the web page have? And then there is the paragraphs here. My favorite things, then raindrops or roses, word, and then P bright copper. So H1 is the heading, and the P stands for paragraph. So my answer here is two paragraphs. If you think that I'm wrong, just put it on the comments. But I'm gonna select two. So I say that this web page is gonna have two paragraphs. Okay, so let's see. Yay! So that's the paragraph. So that is the result of the web page. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit more. Let me clean the lens because it's a little filthy. So I have realized that doing lives is like good for challenges. I paid a fucking $100 for the app, and I haven't done shit on it. So I don't want the $100 to go to waste. So that's what we're doing here. After I'm done with this, then we're gonna go work out and do the little workout. So the next one. So let's continue. So we're done. And then the next question is add the missing closing tag. So it's H1 welcome. So the closing tag is the one with a forward slash. So it's gonna be this one. Okay, so that's a closing tag. And check. Bam, motherfucker. Happy sad. So yeah, we got that one right. Next one. So add the right snippets to make the headings. So headings, so H4, H2, H1, H3. So in headings, so the closing snippets. So the right snippets to make their headings. So the H snippets start with H because it's for heading, and the smaller the number, the bigger the heading. So here, so we have the right one is H1, The H2 is the H2. Why is there two H2? Oh, because there's two H2 down. Okay, so H2, H2. There we go. So H2, H2, H2. Okay, and bam. It's good. Now let's see. Add the right snippets to make the headings. So here we got. Let's see. Add the right snippet to make the headings. So oh yeah, that's so we were good. Give this web page the biggest heading. So the biggest heading, the biggest head. So the biggest heading H2, H1, H2. So the biggest heading is the H1. So first is the we have to add the opening and the closing heading. So we're doing opening H1 and then closing heading H1 closing. The closing is the forward slash. So we got this one done. And let's see. Okay, that one's good. Next. All right, so now we got, what does it say here? It say, what's wrong with this web page? So we got H1. So what I see here on the web page is that there is the heading snippets are wrong because there's two closing ones. You see how the opening ones has a forward slash, so only the closing head the closing snippets of code has to have the opening one. And here that says some closing tags are missing. And no, there is no opening tag, or the paragraph tags aren't assembled correctly. So there is no opening tag for H1. So we're gonna do that one. So we go, let me raise the volume. And let's see. So now, what's wrong with these emphasis tags? So let's see. EM purple haze. Emphasis. Oh yeah, the EM. So I forgot what the emphasis tag means. Oh, it's full of italics. It makes so the EM makes it into italics. So what's wrong with these emphasis tags? What's wrong with them is that the EM that there's an extra one of those. So there is a in the opening tag number 2. Okay. Oh, so emphasis. I think they're not italicized. So I think that the emphasis tags makes them bold. That they makes them bold. I think. Okay, so next, code the opening tag that defines text as important. Code the opening tag. So it's strong. So let's see. So H1, that's the heading, biggest heading. Then the closing tag. P for paragraph. So the next paragraph is going to be order now. And then strong. So I think strong is the bold. I guess we're going to see. So we have to code the opening strong tag. So here we're doing opening, bold, strong, and closing. Yay! I like the little sounds. What the fuck is it not ringing? Okay, so we got this. Okay. Next one. Why is the line break tag an empty tag? Let's see. Okay. So why do you guys think that the tag is an empty tag? It was the fun the other way around. Like I was having fun either way. What do you think? Do you want me to keep it only with the screen? Because that was fun, wasn't it? So my next goal is to fucking do this. So like YouTube for some reason when like streaming or doing something like this, it just helps me with consistency. Like I have like someone to like answer to. You know what I mean? So let's do this shit. So today is the first day of our coding challenge. So every fucking day we're gonna be doing some of this. So if you're a beginner on coding and you're interested on learning coding with me, so I invite you to check it out. So now this is what we're doing. So let's see. Why is the line break? Why is the line break tag and empty tag? Because it has no closing tag. Because it has no opening tag. Because it has no effect on the structure of the web page. Because so the break tag it has no closing because it has no closing tag. It's only the open. It only goes in the beginning. Yay! So let's see. Display accept on the button by coding between the opening and closing tags. Okay, so this is what we got. So terms and conditions. Display accept on the button. So H4 terms and conditions. That's P paragraph. I think accept you agree to button. So accept to accept. So accept. So that is the opening button and that is the closing button tag. Boom, and then we see it right there. So look, I'm gonna change that. Look. Let me see if I can change that. Oh, it doesn't. I wanted to write pussy, but I guess not. Whatever. Okay, so read this. What we got next? Close the code the closing tag. Code the closing tag of the button display. Book a room. Clo- Code the closing tag of the button displaying a book a room. So, hi, Joe's Bed and Breakfast. There is nothing more relaxing than booking a room. Blah, blah, blah. Also, display the closing tag. So it is the this one first. No. So back. Regrésate a esa. So we're doing no. So we're doing this one and the word button. Hijo de tu puta madre, esa. Está, and then closing. Está. Yay. Okay. Let's see. My arms are getting tired from fucking holding this like that. Okay, this is better. So now we've gone here. Let me see. See what's wrong with this code. Button open add to cart. I don't see anything wrong with this code. Yep, there was nothing wrong with the code. Continue. Okay, so the bar here at the top says how much we have left. So let's see. Place the last button below the other by coding BR. Place the last button below the other by coding BR. What do you mean, place the last button? Oh, break. So, welcome to H4. Welcome to Mimo, closing H4. That's for heading. Button, so that's gonna be a button that says sign up, and then I have to be a break for the button. So we're doing open BR closing. Let's open BR closing. Fantastic, keep going. Yay. So now place the button displaying copy to clipboard next to the other button on the web page. Place the button displaying copy to clipboard next to the other button on the web page. Place the button displaying. I don't get it. What the fuck is the question? Place the button displaying copy to clipboard next to the other button on the web page. Okay, so let's see. So this is joke of the month heading. P for paragraph. I made a pencil with two erasers. It was pointless. Oh, that's funny. Button vote and close button. Place the button displaying copy to clipboard next to the other button on the web page. It says next to it, not underneath. So place the button displaying. So opening button. Copy the clipboard. And then close button. Yeah. Also, if I would have done, oh fuck you, I wanted to see more. Okay, so let's do one more. So look, this is the first streak. So tomorrow we're actually gonna be doing another one. All right. So let's do another one. Streak of day one. So this is intro to web development. So we have to do. We're gonna be doing two of these every day. And let's see if we can finish the whole fucking app. I want to be able to do the entire app before the year ends. Like everything, everything, everything. So like, let me see if I learned something. So like, let's do HTML. Oh, this is a review. Oh, this is cool. What's this? I want to build a little button. I want to make a button that says pussy. That says pound my pussy. Let's see. So let me see if I can do that. So look. So I'm gonna put button. So I'm gonna put open button, and then with a word button. Button, and then the word pound my pussy, my pussy, with another S, pussy, and then end button, and then forwards. No, then button. Does it run? It doesn't run. Why? Fuck you. Oh, there we go. Oh, look, we did the button. Have There we go. Look how pretty. There's a button that says Pama Pasa. And you can tap it. That's amazing. Let me select that because it was like too like low. Ha! That is so much fun. Okay, so all right, so we're gonna be doing one more module of HTML coding, and then I'm gonna do another live exercising. So we're gonna exit. Okay, so this is the next one. So need five. What is this? Let's take a look at links. Let's take a look at how links work to combine web pages into websites. Click on take a break to use the link. Take a break. Cool. Continue. To start creating a link, we add the text in between the A and the /A tags. This won't highlight the text yet. A stands for anchor tag. So A is for anchor. So open anchor and then close anchor. Okay. Cool. So to link the text to a web page, we add blah, 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 along with a uniform resource locator, a URL. Oh, I didn't even know that URL stands for that. So URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. That's cool. So to link the text to a web page, we add href along with a uniform resource locator. Href is short for hypertext reference. Um, so I didn't know that. So to link, so okay, so to link web page, we add href. So we have to add along with the uniform resource, so the URL. So open a and then href equals. So hypertext reference and then equals. So AH reference, learn to code, and then close. And then we select. Is that it? What happened? I have to add this too? To link the text to a web page, we add blah, blah, blah. Oh, okay. So we do the href equals, and then we add that. And then we go. Okay, that's cool. So href stands for hypertext reference. So we got href is an attribute. So href is an attribute. All attributes have two things in common. They provide extra information and they go inside the opening tag. Okay, attributes are added after the name of the tag. Attributes are added after the name of the tag and before the tag, the greater than closing sign. So href is an attribute. The attribute have two things in common. They provide extra information and they go inside the opening tag. Okay, so this is the opening tag, and then we put the href, and then there's a website, and the website goes in air quotes or in quotes, and then let's see, and then a hypertext comes out. So href is hypertext reference, and it's an attribute, and they have two things in common. They provide extra information, and they go inside the opening tag. Okay. So we have to finish all the questions. So the purple line goes all the way to the end. Okay. So let's see. So we link to a web page by adding equal. Okay. After the attribute and a URL as the value in between quotes. So dog type HTML body href is equal to the website. No, the air quote, opening quote, and then the website, and then end quote, and then bam, motherfucker. Okay, cool. Next one. So create an opening tag with the href attribute set to mimo.org. So we get all the pieces down here. And let's see. So we start with fuck. So no. I got this. So it's opening. So we're doing open this one and then A. And then we go with href equal website, and we're missing I think we're missing is it here? Does it go here? Like that? I think it goes here, but the thing moved. Oh no, that was right. Oh cool. Okay, let's see. What do links to? They link web pages to other web pages and websites. They emphasize text. They link web pages to other web pages and websites. Why is the link not working? Learning to code because because it has no hypertext reference achieved. That's why. What happens when a visitor clicks on the link? What happens when a visitor clicks the link on his website? A href blah blah what developers learn share. What happens when a visitor clicks the link on his webpage? What are attributes for? To provide additional information about tags. Pick the opening tag that makes the link clickable. Opening tag. Someone. What? Oh, pick the opening tag. I just. Absolutely right. Okay, I think I understand now the tag. So like this is just an opening tag, and this is an opening tag with an attribute. So it's gonna be that one. That's crazy. I didn't understand that until that question. So let's see, add the attribute and its value so that clicking the link directs users to the Facebook website. Href equals and then the website. I got it. Almost done. Put together the tag to direct users to the snapshot website. So a opening tag href equals blah blah snap blah blah open snapshot. So you have to close it. So close it so it's tag with a forward slash to a and then the close. There we go. Put together the tag to direct users to snapshot website. I blocked that guy. What the fuck is he answering back? I totally blocked him like months ago. That's weird. Type the href attribute. So literally have to put href. Fuck fool. Look how my button is hidden. There we go. Okay, yay! So we're done. We did two modules for the first day. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so that was it for this video. This was day one. Sorry for all the cables. So this was day one for our programming. Okay, so now we're gonna go work out our tits. So it's tit day. Okay, bye.